Yo. Come on. I've been so lonely, girl, I've been so sad and down. Couldn't understand why haters joked around. I wanted to be free with other creatures like me, and now I got my wish. Cause I know that I'm a gay fish, yo. Motherfucking gay fish, I'm a fish, yo. Going on a gay fish. It's alright, girl. Making love to other gay fish. All those lonely nights at the grocery store, in the frozen fish aisle, feeling like a whore. Cause I wasn't being true, even though everyone said that I had to make a switch. Gay fish. Now I know that I'm a gay fish, gay fish, yo. Motherfucking gay fish, I'm a fish, yo. Going on a gay fish. Now where I belong, girl. Making love to other gay fish.
I used to be scared, denying who I was, acting straight, but then going out to the gay fish clubs, dancing with the marlins, making out with all the snappers. I'd take a salmon home and work that caudal fin for hours. But now I'm out and I'm free to love what I want, be it yellowfin or bass or them trout in Vermont. I slap that marlin ass, make that grouper butt shake. I'll come to your house and have an orgy in your motherfucking fish tank.
Motherfucking gay fish, I'm a fish, yo. Going on a gay fish. Now where I belong, girl. Making love to other gay fish. I really get around, I'm the slut of the sea. When I say I've got crabs, I mean it literally. I was eating dinner and just had to go down on that mackerel on the dish. Cause I'm the gayest of the gay fish. Motherfucking gay fish, I'm a fish, yo. Going on a gay fish. Now where I belong, girl. But I got to settle down, I can't be a whore. I ain't gonna just sleep with any fish no more. I found me a lover, a brother who's a cross-dressing pike named Trish. And together we are gay fish, yo. Motherfucking gay fish, I'm a fish, yo. Going on a gay fish. Now where I belong, girl. Making love to other gay fish.